Hi, let's look into the future, in 2026, and find out which haircuts will be at the height of fashion. The main principle of this season is naturalness and convenience. Haircuts should emphasize the texture of the hair and not require complicated styling. What's trending? The short bob is soft, with smooth transitions between layers. It is ideal for any type of hair. It gives volume to thin ones and docility to thick ones. Pixie is bold and concise. Shortened temples and elongated crown make the face more expressive. It looks great on both straight and wavy hair. Shoulder, length square, updated version, plastic, with a slight displacement of the cutting line. It emphasizes the natural texture and does not require complicated styling. Elongated square, from chin to shoulders, retains its shape during regrowth, suitable for different styles, from strict elegance to casual lightness. A cascade with a clear structure, soft transitions and natural volume without sudden changes. Ideal for those who appreciate dynamics and minimal styling. The U-shaped cut is an elegant shape for long hair. The soft arch on the back adds neatness and volume, especially on straight hair. Ladder gives the hair lightness and direction. It looks good on thick and not very long hair, visually stretches the neck. A straight cut is a minimalistic classic for long hair. It emphasizes the density and natural heaviness, gives shine and grooming. Garson is soft, with a lively texture. It emphasizes the neck and profile, is easy to care for and keeps its shape for a long time. The butterfly haircut has expressive layers. The upper one reaches to the chin, the next one reaches to the middle of the shoulders. Creates volume and lightness. Important, when choosing a haircut, consider face shape, asymmetry for round, length for square, pixie for diamond-shaped. The structure of the hair, cascade for thick, one length for thin, graduation for curly. 2026 is a time for experiment, but with an emphasis on naturalness and comfort. Find your own version and be confident in your image. See you.
Say, slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love, love that
love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.